What if an AI discovered a law of physics that Einstein missed? In 2024, scientists gave an artificial intelligence no background equations, no formulas, not even hints. Just raw video data, like a ball rolling down a ramp or the chaotic swing of a double pendulum, and said, figure it out. And the result? The AI didn't just mimic known physics. It created new laws, equations, and patterns no human had ever written down. Let that sink in. A machine, with no formal training, began building its own understanding of the universe. This isn't sci-fi. This is happening right now in research labs across the world. And it all started with a deceptively simple question. Can a machine think like a physicist? Imagine showing a toddler the way planets move and hoping they guess gravity. That's the challenge researchers posed to an AI model nicknamed AI Feynman, inspired by the legendary physicist Richard Feynman. They didn't feed it Newton's equations or Einstein's theories. They gave it raw data and told it to watch and learn. And it did. The AI analyzed videos, graphs, and datasets from physical systems, then started generating its own mathematical expressions. Not through brute force, but through a process called symbolic regression, finding the cleanest, most elegant formulas that fit what it observed. When tested on systems like spring oscillations or chaotic double pendulums, the AI uncovered hidden variables and relationships that matched or even improved on human-derived laws. It wasn't just solving homework. It was inventing answers. In some cases, the equations it discovered were more compact and intuitive than the ones in our textbooks. Think of it like a digital Galileo, watching the stars and sketching out the laws of motion. Except this Galileo has access to millions of data points per second and never sleeps. It's not memorizing, it's understanding. Why does this matter? Because modern physics is stuck. Our best theories, relativity and quantum mechanics, don't play nice together. We don't know what dark matter is. We can't explain dark energy. And we're desperate for new ideas. But human intuition might not be enough anymore. AI doesn't care about how beautiful a formula looks. It doesn't carry historical baggage. It just wants to find what works. Some of the AI's outputs suggest variables we don't even have names for, quantities that are real but invisible to our instruments. That's like discovering the shadow of an object before knowing the object exists. It could lead to entirely new physics, the kind that explains the unsolved mysteries of our universe, or opens the door to technologies we can't yet imagine. But don't get it twisted, this AI isn't conscious. It doesn't dream or philosophize. It's a tool. But it's one that can spot patterns across dimensions of data that our brains can't process. It's like giving a telescope to a cave painter. We're about to see more than we ever could before. In the future, our greatest scientific discoveries might not come from lonely geniuses scribbling on blackboards, but from a partnership between human curiosity and machine precision. We might ask a question, and the answer could come not from a professor, but from a program. So next time you wonder if AI is just writing emails or generating weird art, remember, somewhere, an AI might be quietly decoding the very fabric of reality. And it may already know something we don't.